Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different tutorial than usual. I'm trying to start putting out different content for you guys so I won't bore you. But let's get right into the video so I won't make this intro as longer than it should be. So first, as you see, I brush my teeth typically in the morning when I wake up, and I wash my mouth out with Listerine, you know, the usual. And now I'm taking this Clarisonic dupe I got from Marshall's for $15.99, which is a steal, a run for your money. And if you haven't got on that, you need to get on that because it works very, very good. It works wonders on your skin. And I'm talking about it goes deep in your skin, because I didn't have makeup on one day and it like dug all the dirt out. And so now I'm just I got my Clarisonic wet, and I put a face wash of what I choose to. You don't necessarily have to use the exact face wash that I'm using, so that's why I'm not saying it, but I will have it listed in the description box below. You can use whatever face wash best suits your skin type, because everybody has a different skin type. And now I'm just like letting it just do its thing on my face. And now I'm washing my face with lukewarm water. And now I'm gonna put on this face mask. This face mask is a Dead Sea wash off mask. It's from Global Beauty Care. It says it has salt and minerals from the Dead Sea, and you should let it sit on there for 15 minutes for face and body therapy. And it deep cleanses, and it's for all skin types. Next, I'm taking some eye patches I got from Marshall's. This was $3.99, and I'm telling you guys, this feels so good on your eyes. And I have very dark under eyes, like it's hereditary for me, so I try to not look as tired as possible because I hate them so much. So these eye patches are called Miracle Eye Patches, and it's 20 minutes. You're supposed to let it sit on your face, and it's anti-wrinkled. It says it's designed to visibly improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next, this video is kind of going too fast, but you know, I'm trying to get on this bandwagon to do talk throughs, so bear with me. Okay, so now I'm just wetting my hair, you know, getting ready to shampoo it. And you can just drench it as much as you need, or whatever, however you do your hair routine. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Carol's daughter Lisa's hair elixir. So now I am taking the Carol's Daughter Sacred Tire Anti-Breakage and Anti-Frizz Fortifying Conditioner, and it's for damaged, fragile, frizzy, and unruly hair. It restores strength, prevents damage, and smooths away frizz. so now I am taking a mask, a hair mask, and it's from Shea Moisture. It's 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask with coconut milk and aceacinegol. I don't know how to say that, but I'll list it down below. And usually I let the mask sit on all night, so I'm not really gonna film a hair routine of it, so just let that sit on my hair, go out shopping, you know, with the bun in my head, do my thing, and then wash it out tomorrow. So now I'm running me a little bath, you know, put bubbles in it, relax, you know, the typical me days or spa days. And now I'm just showing you a pretty little bath bomb I got from Marshall's again. Everything in this tutorial I got from Marshall's. And this bath bomb completely failed me, by the way. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me know how you think about these videos.